If you've seen device care on your Samsung phone, or wondered if it actually helps your phone run faster, you're not alone. In this quick video, I'll break it all down. What is Samsung Device Care? Samsung Device Care is a built-in feature on Samsung phones that helps you manage your phone's overall health. It focuses on 4 main areas: battery, storage, memory, and security. Basically, it's an all-in-one tool that checks your phone's performance and helps keep things running smoothly. Where to find Device Care? To access it, just go to Settings, Battery, and Device Care. Here, you'll see a performance score and an option to optimize your phone with a single tap. Main features explained: battery management tracks battery usage and limits background apps. Storage cleaner clears cache and frees up space safely. Memory, RAM, close background apps, don't overuse it. Device protection scans for threats with built-in security. One-tap optimization cleans and optimizes your phone instantly. Auto optimization runs in the background to keep the phone smooth. Is Samsung Device Care actually useful? Yes, but with some limits. It's great for checking battery usage, cleaning storage, and basic optimization. But it's not a magic tool that will suddenly make your phone super fast. Common mistakes to avoid: don't keep clearing RAM again and again. Don't rely on it as a speed booster, and avoid installing extra cleaner apps. They're usually unnecessary. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. What about you? Do you actually use Device Care on your phone, or just ignore it? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you understand it better, hit like and subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.